Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm going to show you how I made this really cute shaker card. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for this card, the colors I used were Old Olive, Mossy Meadow, and Shaded Spruce. I wanted to change it up a little, so I'm going to use Pear Pizzazz, Pretty Peacock, and just Jade. And for the little jar inside, I stamped it with Balmy Blue. Okay, so let's get started. So I already went ahead and pre-cut everything just to save some time. And the base of the card is Whisper White stock. Whisper White is the base of the card, and it measures 8.5 by 5.5 and scored in the middle, and it measures 5.5 by 4.25. So we're just gonna fold this, burnish it, put this to the side. This is for the inside of the card. This is 5.25 by 4 inches. Same with this one. This is Whisper White cardstock, 5.25 by 4 inches, and I went ahead and embossed it with the Tasteful Textile 3D embossing folder. So before I put this on here, I'm going to use the little mason jar punch. I forgot what the name of this is. I'll put the name in the description box below. So what I'm going to do is just put it in here and try to get it in the center. And then go ahead and punch. And you can save this for another project. Okay, so let's put that to the side here. I already went ahead and stamped the jar using, let's see, where is it at? A jar of flowers. I used this stamp. And then I went ahead and used the little stems. I didn't do that to the other one. I didn't realize that there was like little stems, and when I went to stamp the image here, I saw the stems, so I just put the stems in the jar. What I did is I stamped off first and then stamped on here because I wanted like a lighter image. So, and then with the leaves, I already did the leaves using the Forever Fern, and again I used the following colors: Pear Pizzazz, Just Jade, and Pretty Peacock. And I did I did this leaf, this little, looks like cotton balls, I don't know, this one, and then one of these. So I did 3 of all these 4 leaves, and I die cut them with the Forever Flourishing dies. And I did 3 because I wasn't sure how many I was gonna put and the colors, so I did that. And then I did my sentiment using the Forever Fern, the hello, and then I used the Tasteful Labels die cut, or die. Let me show you the die real quick. This one right here. Okay, let's go ahead and assemble this. So what I did first is I put the little sequins in here, and I ended up using these ones. These are the Flowers for Every Season gems, but I didn't want the green ones because I didn't want too much green with the leaves and the gems. So I used just the clear gems in here, but I also used, this is a retired product from Stampin' Up. These are embellishments in color sequin assortment because I don't have any other sequins, and I wanted it to be blue, so I ended up picking out the blue sequins from here and just putting them in here. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. I'll fast forward this because it's a little tedious. I just put the sequins in here and then attached the little jar dome over. I didn't want to put them inside and then go like this because I wouldn't be able to align it properly. So I just put them in the center and then attach. I'll show you that when I'm done with the sequins. I also did apply some of the sequins. I attached them with glue just so it's not, so the sequins don't just sit at the bottom. And you can see here, like, there's a couple that I glued down just so it looks, you know, it looks fuller, I guess. I don't know. So now we're going to attach the little dome, and I just peel the backing off of it and just align it. And just press on the edges so it adheres. And then you got your little shaker card, or your little dome, shaker dome. And now I'm going to adhere this to here. And that already has like a little sticky on here, little adhesive. So you just peel that off. And then just adhere it there. Then we're gonna pop this up with dimensionals. And now just put it on the card, leaving a little border around each edge. Okay, now I'm going to attach the little leaves, and I trimmed these down like right here, so they wouldn't be like that. And I'm just going to arrange these first. Okay, I think I like that. Okay, so now I'm going to remove them and then go ahead and adhere them to the card. I'm gonna use glue dots to adhere them. Okay, we're gonna place the ribbon here, and the ribbon I used was the embroidered ribbon. And what I did to get this thin ribbon here is I cut it in half, and I'm going to take a long piece because then we're going to get these little individual pieces from the same ribbon. I'll show you. So I just cut this in half. Now you don't need a long piece for the jar, but you need a long piece for the ribbon, enough to make a bow. And I just measured it like this, and then just cut this, just cut it to make it fit here. And I'm gonna put 2 glue dots here. Okay, now to make the ribbon, what I did is I just pulled apart the ribbon, and you see the little strands of ribbon thread, whatever it is. And I just pull it apart. And this is the only thing that took me forever. I just kind of twist it and then make a loop, twist the other one, the other side, and just try to make a loop here and try to get those little pieces of thread on the other side. Oh, yay, okay. There we go. And then just stick it there with the glue dot. And then just trim it. And now for the sentiment, I'm just going to pop it up with some dimensionals. And place it right here. Okay, now for the last part, we're going to adhere this to the inside. This is Balmy Blue. Okay, there you have it, a really cute, simple shaker card. I actually really like it with the stems. I don't know if you can see, if you can tell the difference. Kind of looks more realistic. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.